Elisa, it's a new year, new hair. I'm so excited to share the Obsessed box with you. You're gonna be getting some products to help you revamp your routine. We've got 3 styles that we're gonna create today with each of the products in this box. Are you excited?
Yeah.
So we started in the wash house with the Tea Tree Special Color Shampoo and Conditioner. What I love about it is you get the original tingle of the tea tree and the peppermint extract. Now we have the addition of the rooibos tea, which actually helps to prevent your color fade. Now we're going to move on to your blowout. We're using the INVISIBLEWEAR Velvet Cream. This is going to give you incredible lightweight definition and that true velvety blowout. So for your hair, I would recommend about a 1/4 size. And then once you have the product, work it through your hands a little bit. And then you'll start at your ends and work your way up. Make sure you get your hairline and make sure that velvet finish goes all the way from the base to the ends. Go ahead and feel your hair and you can feel how velvety soft it is even with that product blow dried in. Here is your beautiful velvety smooth blowout with INVISIBLEWEAR. So for our next look, we're going to create a really beautiful soft wave. We're going to use our NEURO Protect. This is one of my favorite products to use with any sort of thermal iron to not only prevent thermal damage, it also helps to reduce frizz, block out humidity, and add shine. So I will split that front section in 2 and give this a little spray and spray this top section as well. And then all of those strands are protected. So we already used the velvet cream to blow dry into your hair, but now we're going to use just a little bit to break up and create more definition in your waves. So I would take maybe about a dime size amount, work it through your hands really well. You can almost like you're putting on lotion. So this will give you that beautifully undone texture. So once you have the velvet cream worked through the hair, you can just give it a little bit of a shake at the bottom and you're good to go. We are going to extend your style one more day with our AWAPUHI Wild Ginger Dry Shampoo Foam. This is not only going to refresh by absorbing oil, it's also going to give you tons of volume. The first thing you'll do is apply to the roots, and we're going to brush through the hair. You'll be amazed at how quickly it dries. So once you have the product worked in, you can create all the volume with your fingers, and then just lightly pull it back into a loosely textured ponytail. Once the ponytail's in place, I like to take a little piece of hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the band. It just helps to elevate the look. And there is your final style. Okay, Elisa, here is your Obsessed box. Now you have all the products you need to revamp your routine at home.
Thank you so much.